Nobody tells you this, but your first impression is decided in zero point 0.1 seconds before you even speak. Shocking. Most people unknowingly do one thing that instantly kills respect and credibility. If you've ever wondered why some people command attention while others fade into the background, the answer is dark. By the end, you'll discover the secret behavior destroying your respect and how to fix it immediately. If you've ever felt invisible in conversations, people likely made snap judgments about your character. That split-second decision, it shapes how people treat you for months, even years afterward. Most people repeat the same unconscious mistake daily without realizing it costs them relationships and opportunities. The worst part, you're probably doing it right now without even knowing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what destroys first impression respect. You'll learn the one behavior to eliminate immediately to command instant credibility. And yes, we'll reveal that secret thing nobody tells you that changes everything. First mistake. Fidgeting signals nervousness and kills immediate credibility instantly. Your hands reveal everything. Touching your face, phone, or clothing screams insecurity. You've probably noticed how calm people keep their hands still and controlled. Real example. Job interview candidate constantly adjusting his tie. Interviewer loses trust immediately. Science says 60% of respect is nonverbal. Fidgeting triggers primal distrust signals. Second deadly mistake. Avoiding eye contact makes people think you're hiding something. Looking away or down signals shame, guilt, or low social status automatically. If you're like most people, you break eye contact when nervous. This backfires. Real example. Shy girl at networking event looks down. People assume she's untrustworthy. Research proves sustained eye contact increases perceived competence by 40% in first seconds. Third toxic habit. Speaking too fast reveals anxiety and destroys your authority completely. Rapid speech triggers listener skepticism. Your brain associates speed with deception unconsciously. You've probably rushed through explanations when nervous, wondering why people dismissed you. Real example. Anxious presenter talks fast. Audience stops listening and checks phones. Neuroscience. Slow speech activates trust centers in listener's brain. Fast triggers alarm. But here's what nobody tells you about first impressions. One micro behavior overrides everything else. Fourth killer. Bad posture instantly communicates low confidence and weak social position. Slouching or hunched shoulders send surrender signals. Your body language betrays your mind. If you're like most people, you collapse when stressed. Exactly when impressions form. Real example. Tall man slouches in meeting. People treat him like an intern. Studies show upright posture increases testosterone 25%, boosting confidence and respect perception. The second killer of respect. Weak eye contact. It screams insecurity instantly. People with strong eye contact are perceived 31% more intelligent and trustworthy. But here's the trap. Staring too hard looks aggressive and creepy instead. The sweet spot? 60 to 70% eye contact. Look away, look back naturally. Nervous people dart eyes everywhere. Your brain literally registers this as dishonest. Real example. Job interview. Candidate breaks eye contact constantly. Doesn't get hired. Your eyes control the conversation. Master this one thing. Respect follows instantly. Wait. Here's the dark part. 73% of people don't know why they fail. Question. Have you ever felt judged without knowing what you did wrong? The third silent killer. Your voice tone. Not what you say. How? Monotone voices trigger boredom and disrespect in listeners' brains automatically. Confidence sounds like varied pitch, steady pace, and controlled volume. Practice this. People with commanding voices dominate conversations. It's not about being loud, though. Real example. CEO speaks with calm authority. Everyone listens. No interruptions ever. Your voice is your invisible weapon. Train it. Own it. Command rooms. So here's the loop. Posture affects voice tone. Tone affects eye contact quality. Fix one. The others naturally improve. It's a respect multiplier effect happening. These three behaviors compound. Master all three, and people treat you differently. The respect you seek isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. Start with posture tomorrow. One small change creates a respect cascade reaction. So to summarize, first impressions take 0.1 seconds. Before words matter, three things kill respect instantly. Slouched posture, weak eye contact, monotone voice. Fix these, and respect follows automatically. Your brain literally cannot resist the loop open we teased. Stress makes you collapse. Exactly when it matters. Next video reveals the stress collapsing pattern and how elite performers never fall. But here's what nobody tells you. There's one hidden behavior that ruins it. Even people with perfect posture, eye contact, and voice still lose respect instantly. Comment below which of these three hit you hardest. Be honest. Did you know about the 0.1 second rule before this video? Drop a like if first impressions have cost you before. Let's fix this. Subscribe now. Next video drops the hidden behavior nobody expects. Don't miss it.